The Maruti Suzuki Omni 2026 continues the legacy of simplicity and versatility that has defined this iconic van for decades. While the automotive world is shifting toward high-tech features and bold styling, the Omni remains focused on practicality and affordability. The 2026 version retains its familiar compact body, boxy shape, and large windows, making it instantly recognizable on the roads. It's a vehicle designed for families, small businesses, and commercial use, delivering utility over luxury. Inside, the cabin remains basic but functional. Seating layout options are available to serve both passenger and cargo needs. The seats provide a decent level of comfort for short to medium distance travel, though the upholstery and finish remain modest. There are minimal digital elements in the dashboard, focusing instead on durability and ease of maintenance. The wide visibility and straightforward control layout make the Omni easy to drive, especially in busy city environments where tight maneuverability is crucial. Under the hood, the Omni 2026 features a small, fuel-efficient petrol engine that prioritizes mileage over performance. It is not built for high speeds or long highway journeys, but it excels in city driving, local deliveries, and daily commuting. The engine is tuned for reliability and low maintenance costs, which has always been a key reason behind the Omni's popularity among small business owners and taxi operators. The suspension setup of the Omni is basic, offering a balance between comfort and load-carrying capability. On smooth city roads, the ride remains acceptable, but rough or uneven surfaces may result in noticeable vibration and bounce due to its lightweight build. However, the steering remains light and responsive, which makes it easy for drivers to navigate congested urban streets and tight parking spaces. In terms of safety, the 2026 model sees slight improvements compared to older versions, including strengthened body structure and mandatory basic safety features. However, compared to modern cars in 2026, the safety offerings are still limited. The Omni is not designed for high-speed travel or heavy-impact scenarios, so users are advised to drive with caution and within urban conditions. Fuel efficiency remains one of the strongest advantages of the Omni. The small engine and lightweight construction help it deliver impressive mileage, reducing operational costs for frequent users. This makes it particularly appealing for small-scale commercial and family use in regions where fuel prices are a key concern. The Omni's maintenance costs are notably low, thanks to its simple mechanical components and widespread availability of parts. Mechanics are familiar with the model, and repairs are inexpensive compared to more modern, tech-heavy vehicles. This contributes to its long lifespan and continued demand in markets where affordability is a priority. From a value perspective, the Maruti Suzuki Omni 2026 stands out for its practicality, cost-effectiveness, and reliable performance in city environments. While it does not offer modern-day luxuries or advanced features, it delivers what many users need: space, mileage, durability, and simplicity. It remains a realistic choice for buyers looking for a multi-purpose vehicle at a low price. Overall, the Maruti Suzuki Omni 2026 is not trying to compete with modern minivans or premium family vehicles. Instead, it continues to serve a niche market that values utility over sophistication. For those who need an affordable, dependable, and easy-to-maintain van for daily use, the Omni remains one of the most sensible options available.